Hey, I'm Chris Brisson, the founder here at Call Loop, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you everything about Call Loop. If this is your first time seeing the platform, my goal is to show you all the features, all the functionality, so you can make a simple decision around whether Call Loop will work for you and for your business. So the high level of Call Loop is it's an all-in-one outbound messaging platform. So it allows you to send a mass text message, if you want to make automated phone calls to deliver a notification, and also we have Ringless voicemail. So SMS, voice, and Ringless all in one platform. It allows you to easily send multi-channel messages. So we've got a couple of features here. I'm going to run through each one of these. The big one here is broadcasting. So if you want to deliver your message to a group of contacts over SMS, voice, or Ringless, this is how you would do it. So we can create a broadcast and we can easily type in our text message. We can send a text message. We can also send a picture message. So whether that's a GIF or a JPEG or a PNG, we can upload that. We can also include a contact card. So if you want people to save your phone number on their phone, you can create this virtual contact card with your name, your address, your Facebook, Instagram. They can save it. And so now you can build a better relationship with those contacts. So again, you can do an image, you can include emojis, you can also personalize it. So hi, first name, right? And this will personalize it to all of your contacts. If you don't have a first name, we'll do a fallback. So for example, hi there, or hi, Chris, if you have the name. This is my message. Okay, we can type in that text and easily send that message out. And I'll show you what that looks like. So you'll see here is a character counter. So MMS is you can send up to 1,600 characters. If you're just doing a text message, it's 160 characters. You can type as long as you want. And so it's one is the number of credits it would take to send this out. You can also include compliance information. So compliance is a big piece of texting. And so you'll see on the right, it says reply stop to end, help for help. If you don't want to include that, you can just click that button. You can select where you're going to send it from. So we provide a toll-free number. We provide short codes. So you can send text messages from these phone numbers. Part of this is you have to go through the approval process in order to get approved for sending messages. And we have a pretty robust, easy way to do that. You can then send to the group of contacts. So for example, hey, let's send it over here. Let's send it to this list. And we can schedule this message or we can send it immediately. So let's say we'll send it tomorrow or next week on 11/28, and we can easily create that broadcast. Now, a voice message is a phone call that you can record an audio, you can upload the audio, and you can easily send out this audio message to your contacts. So let's go ahead and we'll record one. Hey there, this is a test message. Hey there, this is a test message. There it is. Cool. We've got that. We will add this here. If you want to transfer people, so on your audio, you could say, hey, to connect with our team, press 1. And that would then transfer that phone call to a destination phone number. Unsubscribe is on your audio. If you say to opt out, go ahead and press 9. If they press 9, they will then get unsubscribed from Call Loop. And next time you send a message, they will be skipped. Voicemail, this is, hey, what is the audio that when a voicemail is detected that we're going to drop to the voicemail, okay? And again, send from. You can also verify a caller ID. So maybe you have a caller ID that you want to appear. You can type in your number and verify this caller ID. And again, you can type in the lists that you want to send to. You can also import a CSV as well. So if you have a group of contacts, you can import that file of the first name, last name, email, phone number. You can also include custom fields into this. And Ringless, last but not least, same thing. This allows you to send an audio right to a voicemail. So once we detect a voicemail, we'll drop, actually we don't even place the phone call. we just drop a voicemail direct to that person's voicemail. So they get a voicemail message and it is your audio. It's a great way to deliver that. So that's a broadcast, very simple. And from the dashboard, we can see which ones have finished, which ones are archived, which ones are scheduled. And in a quick detail, I could see, hey, here's the status, here's the send time, sent from, what's the type, and then there is the message. I can send myself a test if I want to see that. And so we have all of these stats that we can see here. So total, success, unsubscribe, pending, failed, and we can easily see the status of those broadcasts. Triggers enable you to integrate texting or messaging into your CRM. Or marketing automation platform. So currently we integrate into ActiveCampaign, HubSpot, Keep. If you want to create a custom trigger, which is a webhook, you can do that. We also integrate into Zapier and some other great tools. So you would just type in your text the same way that you would here, and we would give you a webhook URL that you would then paste in your marketing automation tool and deliver that text message. We've got some great resources on this. Keywords are text to join. So it's a great way to build your list. So you can see subscribers, active, unsubscribe. And so if we go into here, when somebody texts the word join to this phone number, we'll deliver this message and they will then get added to our keyword join list. So you can promote your keyword, people can text in, you've built your list, and now you can send out mass messages to these contacts that are from your keyword. A web form is pretty simple. So this is a form that you can put on your site and you can capture the contact information. So phone number, first name, last name, email. You can build this out to capture custom fields as well. So for example, maybe I want to capture birth date, right? And so this would enable us to put a form on our site, capture that information. One of the things we have with Call Loop is double opt-in. So when somebody fills out a form and you want to send out a message to ensure that they reply yes to get opted in, that's what double opted in is. And so somebody fills out the form, we send this message, they reply yes, and then we can deliver this message to them, okay? Now that's double opt-in. If you wanted single opt-in, we have that option too. So that's that. You can also do a redirect. So after they fill out the form, redirect to this custom landing page or custom page. Contacts, we can see all the contacts. We can import contacts. We can add them manually. You can also create custom fields. So if you want to create a different property, so maybe this is birthday, right? And this is a date. Well, you can create a property or a custom field to capture birthday. We can also see lists. So a list is a grouping of contacts. How large is the list? How many are active, invalid, unsubscribed? Segments are coming soon, which allows you to create better segmentation on those contacts. And that is a lot of the features. Now, as far as the admin, the administration of this, you've got your profile. You can add unlimited team members. So if you have other managers or owners or members that you want to add, you can easily invite them. You can also restrict access to maybe certain lists. So, hey, this member only gets access to that list and those contacts. Compliance is required to send text messages in the United States. So you can walk through this simple little wizard and input your information and get approved to send text messages. This is a very simple way, simple system to do that. You've got your billing page. You can upgrade, downgrade your plan at any time if you need to buy additional credits. And credits are used to send messages like text, voice, and Ringless. So it's 1 credit an SMS per 160 characters. An MMS is 2 credits. Voice message is billed in 60-second increments. And you've got Ringless at 2 credits as well. We can see the number. So this one has been verified. We've got our integrations. We've got great documentation. So if you want to integrate it into these tools, you can see our help center, and then you can see our audio. And so all in all, I mean, it's a very simple, easy to use platform to get your message delivered. We have all different plans that are based on the amount of messages. So as low as $15 a month. And if you need a custom plan, you can speak to someone on our team to do that. We also have pay as you go. It comes with some limitations, but if you only need it a couple times a year, you don't want to pay a monthly fee, we have that option as well. So I hope that helps. Feel free, get into Call Loop. You have a 14-day trial. You can see how it works for you. If you have any questions, on the bottom right, there is this chat bubble, and you can talk to someone on our team and they can help you out. So thanks again, and hope you enjoy Call Loop. Take care.